Good morning, friends. Guess what day it is? What day? It's Friday. Let's put our hands out. Today is Friday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. And yesterday was Thursday. Good job, friends. So we made it through another week. I'm so proud of you guys. I'm going to be getting on Lexia and Dreambox tonight to figure out if you've made your minutes. So if you need a few more minutes left, make sure you get on today, okay? Because I'm going to check that. And then don't forget to turn in all of your packets. The first packet that Miss Gregory sent as soon as you went home, I need that packet. Some of you still haven't turned in that one. And it needs weeks 1, 2, 3, and now 4, okay? Because we're on week 4. We're going to start with math together. And you guys, we have been talking about what? Two-dimensional shapes, right? Those are the shapes on paper, yeah? If I look at this globe, what kind of shape is this? Is it 2D or 3D? Yeah, it's a 3D shape because I can hold it. And this is what? What's this called? Starts with an S. A sphere. Good. So this sphere right here is a round circle. If it was flat on a page, it would be a circle. But because I can feel around it, oh my goodness, my hair almost got stuck. That means it's a sphere and it's a 3D shape. But now we're still talking about 2D shapes. So you need to have this paper out in front of you, page 690. So make sure you have 690 in front of you. Go ahead, I'll give you a second to do that. All right, this should not be too hard. I think you'll be able to get this one pretty easy. So if you look at this top question, I have two shapes, yeah? I have two rectangles. I almost said rectangular prism, but that would have been a 3D shape. I have two rectangles, and now I could put them together, right? And I could put them together and I could make this shape. Or I could put them together and make this shape. Here's one, here's another. Now down here it says, how else could you combine the two shapes? So in this box right here, I need you to draw one more way that you can put these two together right here. So if you don't do that, then you won't get points because I don't know if you did it or not and you haven't watched the YouTube video. So do this right here so I know that you watched the video. Now on the bottom, let's look at this one. I have a circle right here. I need to pick the two shapes that I can use to make that circle. Well, I know that this must be the top of the circle and that must be the bottom. So I'm going to circle those two. Go ahead and circle those two shapes right there. All right, let's look at this one. I've got a rectangle right here. Now, in a rectangle, I could use a triangle, but I would need more than that. If I turn this way, look, now it's perfect. So it's just tilted a little bit, but it has equal sides. So if I turned it, and then I put this over here, and then I put this over here, I would make my rectangle. So you need to circle these two. And lastly, I need to make this shape right here. Now, if I were to put this, how could I do that? Let's look at this. If I put this right here, could I do that? Look, you see how I kind of made the same shape? Yeah, so I need that. And then what shape is this? Is that on our page? There it is. So our first shape is right here. It's this shape. And our second shape we need to add is that shape, which is right here. So you need these two shapes to make this picture. All right, so on your homework, what you're going to be doing on your own is you're going to be doing the same thing we just did together. So up here, you need to circle two shapes that you can combine to make this, and two shapes you can combine to make this. Down here it says draw lines to show two different ways to combine the shapes to the left to make the new shapes on the right. So if I put these shapes into this shape, how could I do that? Remember, this is just another square, okay? So don't get scared about that. You can move it, you can change it as long as it has equal sides. So for one, I'd put this one in the middle. So I draw the lines right there, and then I'd have one square on this side and this square on this side. Can you find a different way? Maybe you put it this way and then put one over here and here. It is your choice. So that is your math work for today. For your social studies work, you have a Brain Pop video. So you need to go onto this website right here. It's all in your packet. You need to type in junior.brainpop.com. You need to log in using this username. So you're going to use this as your username and this is your password. And then you need to type in the video, pushes and pulls, in the search bar. And you're gonna look at that video, you're gonna watch it, and you're gonna complete the quiz. Once you are done with the quiz, you need to send your answers to me so I can give you points for social studies today. Well, it's still science, for science today. So make sure you send those videos, because if I don't get your video, then I'm gonna think you didn't do it, okay? So make sure you send me those videos. Now there's one more thing you have to do today, and that is your test, okay? So there's gonna be a whole nother video about your test questions, okay? So make sure you click the next video so you can listen to me reading the test questions so you can do an awesome job on this test. Because I think some of you are going through the test and just mark. Are we supposed to do that? No, we cannot do that. Yeah, we have to think. We have to cross out the answers we know are not right. And then we have to figure out what is the correct answer. Now remember, lots of those questions are going to be about our ED and our ING. So ED is when? In the past. So I walked, I jogged, I jumped, I spinned, all of those different things. ED is in the past. ING, if I'm swimming, I'm doing it right now. If I'm jumping, I'm doing it right now. If I'm reading, I'm doing it right now. So remember, ED, in the past. ING, right now. Okay, let's do it one more time. ED, in the past. ING, right now. Good job. Okay, so make sure you watch your second video to listen to all the test questions. And I hope you have an awesome weekend, and I'm going to be looking at those Lexia and Dreambox minutes, so make sure you get on that if you have not gotten all your minutes yet. All right, guys, I will see you later, and I have an awesome weekend. I will see you on Monday. Bye-bye.